in order to compute the variance of a group of data, what we basically do is just first compute the variable in deviation with respect to the mean. So what we do is just first check that 18 is deviated 45 units, dot 45 indeed, away from the mean. So which is 18.45, and we compute the square of these results. We do the same for all values, although if we do this, for instance, here, we can see that we forgot just to include the dollars. We are not removing the mean. So that's why what we do here in the previous mean is just to include list of dollars. Okay. Once done it, we can copy this formula for the rest of the cells. Next, we have to wait. We have to say that, well, this deviation, this square deviation, dot 20, is affected by 54, is affecting 54 individuals, or the next one is affecting 19 individuals. If we do this for the rest of people, we see that this is the amount of square deviations obtained by all people. If we do the sum, 45.8, well, all we have to do is just, this is the total square deviation, which corresponds to 80 people. This is the variance. We can do the same also by, instead of computing the variable deviations with respect to the mean and then square it, we can say, well, first we square the variable. These are the results of the squares of the variable. And next, we compute the mean of the square of the variable. So we weight this 324 times 54, which is indeed the amount of people having the result. And we do the same for all other cells. We do the sum, and this sum helps us to compute the mean of the squared variable. Well, the mean of the squared variable would be this sum over 80. Well, the variance is the mean of the square variable minus the square of the mean. If we do this, we get the same result. And now as for the standard deviation, all we have to do is the square root. That's it.